What's up, my beautiful babe, sweet angel? Y'all, it's Christmas Eve 2021. Can you believe it? I am all ready for Santa. Y'all know what Santa I'm talking about, right? Yes, indeed. I am here hanging with my hubby, and yes, that's all I need. Absolutely. And I've actually, of course, eaten dinner. It's actually pretty early. It's pretty early for me because, I'm a 3 a.m., 4 a.m. kind of work all night kind of individual. But I've actually cut off, believe it or not. And it is like 10:23. And yes, I'm actually going into 2022 with the Android. Y'all, I'm an Android girl. And who knows, I might convert one day, but why? I don't know why. Tell me, why should I? Give me a good reason why I should, and I will do that. But right now, I'm trying to weigh my options here, okay? But who knows? We might do that. We might do that. Maybe Mike and I will go ahead and do the change up together. Who knows? But anyway, I just decided to put on my red lips. I did my makeup today. My red lips are actually, I've been going through all of my makeup. And my makeup is not like your updated, newly on the market kind of stuff. This is stuff I've had for a minute, but I'm not going to throw it away unless it starts smelling like caca. But other than that, I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it, right? This is the Ulta Lip Gloss Stain. And I want to say the color is Treason. I don't have my eyeglasses on, so I can't really tell you if that's correct or not, but it probably is called Treason. If you can see it, I don't know. But I love this. It's a stain, but it's a gloss, so it's cute. And y'all, it's been so long. I went through my makeup the other day, and I have just been deciding to go through everything. I use the NYX foundation, the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. However, I had other little NYX products that I haven't used in forever, and I pulled all that out too. So I just put it all in a little diggamajig, and don't look bad. It's kind of cute. The only thing I don't switch up when it comes to my makeup is the mascara. So I did that, okay? But I just wanted to share with y'all just a little bit of time right over here to say Merry Christmas. Yes, indeed. Merry Christmas. And I'm just watching a little TV. I'm gonna go ahead and freshen up my drink and snuggle with my snuggle bunny and enjoy myself. Really just a day of enjoyment, because yesterday Mike actually started cooking ribs on yesterday. So good. Was that yesterday? I get so confused. It was yesterday, I do believe. And he baked the ham, and we had cabbage today, and also potato salad. I got my patty pie that they broke up with Walmart. But everything is just peaceful tonight. The wind is kind of blowing, so I'm not sure if it's gonna rain. I hadn't checked the weather report or anything, but I'm loving my makeup. Yes, I am loving that. Got my robe on. Yeah, anyway, that's it. Anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go. I just wanted to pop in and share with y'all just a few little things right here, just to say, hey, what's up? And hope you all have a pleasant Christmas. No, Santa Claus probably ain't bringing me nothing, because probably one big thing I really want, maybe two, but that's about it. Anything else small, don't be bringing it to me, child. My mama used to say, come big or stay away small, and that's what I live by. Absolutely. So anyway, I think I'm out of here. I'm trying to think of anything else I need to share with y'all today, but I think that's it. But anyway, every now and then I plan on giving y'all a little pop out, and share these little moments with you. And I want to say, you might be lucky enough to get this on every single channel, but I'm super thankful and blessed. It's again December, nearing the very end of 2021. I'm looking forward to a 2022. It's been an amazing year for me on YouTube, and it's really blessed me and my family, and I'm super excited. I'm just like overjoyed. So now I'm finna go have a drink to that and probably turn on a Christmas movie that I probably won't watch because I'm not really into Christmas movies, but it's Christmas Eve and that's what you do, right? Something like that. Just do nothing. But anyway, let me get out of here because after a while I'm gonna be done talked for an hour and y'all know me. But anyway, I'm actually getting ready to pop this off this disc and upload it to YouTube so y'all can have it, so y'all can say Merry Christmas to me and I'll be looking at all of that good stuff. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and listen, if you can, pop on every channel and do it because I'm gonna upload this video all at one time on every single one of my channels, y'all. And the only dull moment this week, bad moment, was, y'all know we have guinea pigs. Or we have had guinea pigs, or we have guinea pigs. But on the 21st of December, we had 2 guinea pigs, Biscuit and Jam, and little Biscuit passed away. So that's the only thing that is so sad this week. But, well, what a sad morning it is. What time is it now? It's 5:23. Maddie was getting ready to clean the guinea pig's cage and found out our little black guinea pig, whose name is Biscuit, has gone to guinea pig heaven. It's so sad. I'm sorry I can't show it. We're about to go ahead and have a service for him right now. And it's so sad. Right before Christmas. Little Jammy's doing good. He's a trooper. He's doing good. But I doubt if we get any more. But I just want to share that with y'all. In case y'all were wondering, when I pop out a video over there on the furry critters, what's going on. So now you know. But that was the only dull moment this week that really put a damper on me for just a minute. And y'all know Maddie loved her guinea pigs and it put a damper on her too. Don't really know what happened. He didn't have any issues that we knew of. It was just she was getting ready to clean the cage, which she does that about every 24 hours or so. But we check on them all the time throughout the day. As a matter of fact, they had just gotten a little treat, some lettuce earlier. And when she, of course, Maddie's wee morning owl too. So she was cleaning the cage or getting ready to clean the cage about 4:30, 5 o'clock on the 21st of December. And little Biscuit was stretched out. So anyway, we are good. You know, it's gonna be all right, but it's just, you know, when your little animals pass, they're part of your family and they're just what you see every single day. So it really touched my heart, and I hated to see her drop a tear as well. So that was really, and there I go talking a lot again. But anyway, I'm out of here, y'all. We'll see y'all after Christmas, during Christmas, sometime or another. We might go live on Christmas Day. Who knows? But we'll see y'all then. Take care, and we love y'all. Be sweet. Hope Santa brings you what you want. See you on the next one.
Merry Christmas. Happy, prosperous New Year. If you're not happy, make sure it's prosperous.
If at all possible. Help make up for the audience. You're so funny.
I look that way. I just look like I'm funny. Okay? Can't beat that.
I mean,
I'm bringing you happiness and prosperous.
Oh my God.
Possible.
Possibilities.
Man, I didn't know you were feminist.
Yeah.
You see you take a picture. Oh, okay.
Smile.
Happy, happy, happy I am. Got my baby, my friend, my love.
Never move.
I don't know about that boo. I'm your man. But that boo part.
The boos and bays they got coming.
No,
This
I'm for real straight up.
straight up.
This is my boo.
Too close to boo boo.
My turd.
You my number one. You're my number one turd. Nice lip color. Oh my goodness.
Okay, and then.
For the camera, get a picture, but.
Love you too. Always.
I'm gonna do